Alright, today we're looking at a 2015 Toyota Camry SE. Alright, it's cosmic blue mica in color. It's got 30,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, just 2 previous owners. Alright, we'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. Got the nice chrome trim around the windows. Okay, driver's side of the Camry's in great shape. Got the deck lid spoiler here. Alright, does have the rear backup camera. Rear of the vehicle's in good shape. Make our way down the passenger side. Exterior is well taken care of. It's a 2015 Toyota Camry SE, 30,000 miles, clean Carfax, just 2 previous owners. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the black on black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Okay. It does have black cloth seating, but as you can see, the trim here is leather. So you got the cloth inserts, leather trim, got the nice red stitching. It's a power driver's seat. Okay, driver's seat's in great shape. It does come with the keyless entry key fob. Okay, passenger seat looks good. No problems there. All right, it is an automatic. Got your USB and power outlet right here behind the gear shift here. There's your climate control area. It's going to have your radio display right there and backup camera, and we'll show you that in just a second. Got your leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls. You got your Bluetooth here. Okay, steering wheel audio controls here. It does have the paddle shifters behind here. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 30,602 miles. Now that we've got it started, go ahead and show you the radio display here. Okay, you've also got some different apps here as well. You got general, voice, display, Bluetooth, vehicle, audio, and phone. Alright, so we'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. And it's got the guidelines on there as well. You can see that. Alright, back to your home screen. Slide down a little bit here. Got your climate control area here. And then once again, got your USB, auxiliary, and your power outlet right there. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Door panels look good. Back seat carpet back here is in good shape, no staining. Okay, and the back seats, just like the front seats, got the cloth inserts here. Okay, but the nice leather trim, the red stitching. Okay, center armrest comes down, got the cup holders there. Go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right, let's take a look at your trunk space. All right, carpet back here is clean. And lift this up. Okay. Got your jack down there. I think if I lift this part up, it's gonna have your spare tire under there. Yep. Okay, so I'll step to the side. You can see just how much depth you got back there. There's a ton of room in these Camrys. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. All right. Let's see, we've got 17-inch alloys, kind of got that smoky gray alloy. Okay, alloys are in good shape. Toyo tires, almost a brand new set of tires. Ton of tread left on those. All right, a lot of tread there. Once again, 2015 Toyota Camry SE, 30,000 miles on it. All right, it's got a clean Carfax, just 2 previous owners. This thing's well taken care of inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.